to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm here with two new faces. Today, they're going to be rating my 2020 DIY clothes. And yeah, that's it. And follow her channel.
And follow my channel.
She's going to leave it in the description now.
Yes, subscribe to her channel because just subscribe to her channel. What is your Instagram?
My channel of YouTube is, yes. Subscribe.
What?
Okay, before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to go to her channel and subscribe to her channel and like her videos and watch all her videos and tell her that y'all came from my channel.
Period.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, this is the first look. The shirt I made, y'all didn't see that. And these pants, these stack leggings I made. How would you rate it?
I feel like I would rate the pants a 10 and the shirt a 8. I like the 8. I like that shirt and I like the red part, y'all. She don't like the red. Like,
yeah, the red part ugly.
What's wrong with it?
I would rate the shirt a 9 because I really do like this shirt. I would wear that shirt, but not with those pants.
Yeah,
but it's not an outfit, so
yeah.
And I wouldn't wear these pants, but they cute, so I would rate them a 10 too. But the shirt definitely not.
I wouldn't wear these pants.
Okay,
I wouldn't wear stuff like that, but people do. So
that is true. That's true. I rate the pants.
We don't care what you rate the pants.
I rate the pants a 10 because they look good, but I never wore them before. And I rate the shirt a 10 because I wear it all the time.
You're not supposed to rate it.
Just like it don't care what you rate it.
It's your stuff. Our rating, not yours.
This could be an outfit.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Maybe because the jeans is like jeans.
It could be, but it's like where you wearing it to? What outfit?
It's like a concept. I don't know, like a
that's
gothic.
you rocking
Five
out.
points.
The bottoms are so cute though. Like the pants themselves is so
pants
cute.
Are 10. Those are 10.
The pants are definitely a 10. The shirt is a. I feel like it's.
I wear it.
I think the shirt is a 4 because you gonna take it off in 0.4 seconds if you wearing that because you finna go do something.
You don't like the shirt?
But no, I like the shirt because the shirt is actually a 10. The shirt is a 10, but it's like, girl, I know what that shirt for. If I'm putting on something like that, I know what I'm putting on.
No, because first of all, it take a long time to take this. It gonna take a long time.
It's like, girl, somebody can say, whoop.
Okay, yes, I like both. I think both of them
Like,
are
say,
10.
whoop.
Both of them are 10.
Okay.
It's not an outfit, but we know it's not an outfit. So each definitely is a 10. You did a really good job on these pants.
Yeah, those
Thank
are cute. They look like they came.
I can't wait till you make my birthday.
Girl.
I'm gonna tell you. Oh, wait, I get these pants a 10. Okay. And I get this shirt a 3. Cause who will wear this? Come on now,
y'all. I'm gonna start with the shirt this time. The shirt is a 10.
If I had titties, I feel like it would be like better.
And the pants, I'm gonna give them.
The shirt is a 10. The pants is a 7.
I'm gonna get the pants a 9 because I like jeans. So
I'm gonna get the pants a 10 because everybody like these pants.
I don't like.
You gonna just keep saying that everybody like it, so that's how you give it a 10, Jay?
Like,
yeah.
if this was a different shade of brown,
but I feel like it's cute.
I feel like it's cute. All of it go together.
It's cute.
But it's hard to.
What did you have that on with on YouTube? I feel like you had on.
I did. It was a no. It was a white T-shirt and the hat over there.
The hat was brown.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's what I was talking about.
Yeah. People like these pants, I guess. I never seen nobody wear them before.
Yeah, they're cute.
They're cute.
They different.
It's like so many different, like it's so many different colors and stuff.
You should make clothes and sell them.
It looks like a nude.
People be.
That should be like your job or something.
People be doing too much. I don't like customer service. They be like, oh, that look ugly. Oh, that little stitch right there.
No, you should make it and then post it on Instagram and be like,
whoever want it.
And I'm pretty sure people gonna want it.
Or like you could do customized jeans. People do stuff.
I think I'm gonna do jeans because that's easy. But
you're like fat pants. You know
hard.
how to do that, and people like them nowadays. So.
But it's like, but if you're doing
customer
stuff like that,
service,
if you're doing stuff like that, you need stuff in wholesale.
Girl, what do you mean customer service?
It gotta be perfect. Like people be like, oh, I ain't like this. People be trying to scam you. People, I don't like all that.
Talking about they need a refund.
Oh yeah, they be getting their money back and they still got the product and stuff. Yeah.
What's the last item? It's the
what's the name? I forgot what it's called.
Corset top thing. It don't go with the shirt,
I don't
but
know what that's supposed to be.
it's like
you don't see.
I have to have titties. Yeah, you don't see them.
I have, and I seen you put it on, but I feel like what's the point?
It's like
what is it?
It's supposed to like.
It's just an accessory to her shirt.
It's an accessory, but it don't go with this shirt. Like it go with like t-shirts.
I feel like it is what it is. So what a 10, right? Like,
what you mean it is what it is?
Like, it is what it is. When I see people have them on, it look like that. So what other score would I give it? It's not like you made it ugly or something. How did you make that?
Yeah, this was hard. I ain't gonna lie to you.
That is a 10.
And then look at
all
this.
this stuff, real. It's like you strapped into the seat. Six legs.
She made that. That's what I'm saying. It looked exactly like what it's supposed to be. So what other score should I give it?
And you had to put that zipper on there, or did it come like that?
I had to put it on there.
Oh yeah, girl.
I give this a 10, but on me, I give it like a 5.
You made that shirt like what? I would.
A sheet?
A sheet?
Yeah.
Okay, girl. Okay. Don't play with her. Okay, I'll go first.
Camera rolling.
Play. Action.
Yeah.
What's the echo?
You need to do bloopers too because you gotta have plenty of them. Okay. The pants are. I just keep giving everything a 10.
So you need to be brutally honest.
I feel like the pants is an 8.
You are whispering.
The pants are an 8.
Okay, the pants are a 10.
The
The
shirt
shirt
is a 10.
is a 9. This is nice. I mean, you mean this number?
You don't think this a 10?
I think the shirt is a 10, but it's not my style. Like, it's super girly.
The shirt is a 10.
The pants,
I couldn't give both of them a 10.
But the pants, I wouldn't wear these pants.
yeah, I don't know where to wear these. Y'all seen said they look like you going to where I'm going to? 4th of July party. I'm like the American flag or something.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna change my answer because I'm nowhere. But I'm a jean girl and I wear jeans all the time. I would put
people
them
be
on
wearing
with anything.
Yeah,
Like,
you can
I would
put
wear
it.
them anywhere. So I like them. I'll give them a
I feel like
10.
these are
My
dressy
answer,
jeans.
never mind. My answer's
So
on
it
stay the
would
same.
have to be some type of outfit. Like I would have to be in the mood to wear them.
But
It's not like just a normal.
You're not looking at the camera. Like, you're not talking to them. You're talking to them. You're supposed to be talking to them.
It's gonna hear y'all though. It's that microphone work.
Oh, shit.
Is your subscribers mean? Are they gonna say something?
No,
about
they
They not mean.
nice
They
to be
nice. They dumb nice. Honestly, they dumb nice. Hopefully.
She said y'all was nice, so don't leave nothing rude in these comments.
She's not gonna put that in there. So you
Better not. I ain't gonna leave it in there. Okay, it's giveaway time. So, since I got 1,000 subscribers, of course I gotta do a giveaway. So yeah, here's the giveaway. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be giving away a free pair of custom pants. Like, whoever win, they tell me what kind of pants they want and I make them, basically. Or a free embroidered item, like a hoodie, crew neck, sweatpants, a patch, you know, anything, because I got an embroidery machine and why not? Some people might want that. So yeah, either one or the other. So here are the rules. I'm just going to be reading off my phone because I got the rules right here. So rule number 1, follow me on Instagram at jazztheicon_. Follow my new page on Instagram at shopjazzthe. Subscribe to my channel, obviously, or you should already be subscribed. Like this video and binge watch my videos. I made a playlist. It's called Binge. I need to get my watch hours up so I can get monetized, you know. And comment down below your Instagram name, what you would want to win, and anything random, like something random. And the giveaway ends a week from today, and then I will be announcing the winners on Instagram, and I will tag them under this video and just in the comments. So yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on both of my Instagram pages, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and binge watch my videos. I made a playlist called binge watch my videos. All you gotta do is play it while you sleep, you know, so keep playing over and over. And that's it. And comment on this video. If you don't comment on this video, you won't be able to win because I'm gonna pick you. So I'm gonna pick I don't know how many winners I'm gonna have, but it's gonna be randomly pick winners, and then it's gonna be one winner I choose that has already been following me, subscribe to me, be liking my videos, and comment under all my videos, because I want them to, you know, I want a real supporter that I know already to win too, but I don't know personally, but I know, you know. So yeah, back to your regularly scheduled program.
If I put on them pants, I better put on that shirt, and if I put on that shirt, I better put on them pants.
It started. Okay.
But the greens don't match. Rate it.
You never paused it?
Nope.
Pants is
Pants
a
are. Ooh.
8. Shirts is a 6.
I hate when people go first because that means I gotta piggyback off their answer. No.
Girl, so what you want me to take back off your answer?
I think the pants are a 10 and the shirt is a 5.
I say the pants are 8.
Who cares? You're not supposed
And the
to
shirt
rate.
is a 3. The shirt is ugly to me. I don't like it.
I feel like if this outfit was a different color, then it would have been a 10. But I don't like the colors, so that's why it's not.
I feel
10,
like
10.
if you did the top different, it would be cute.
That's the end. Follow these girls on Instagram and follow.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Life Is Mine. She's gonna leave it in the link in the description.
My YouTube channel.